Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is a speed test between Honor 9N and the VIVO Y83. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores from both phones. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone is faster and how fast it exactly is. By the way guys, both phones are currently running the latest operating system and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but 9N was slightly faster for most of the applications. So for the speed test, I'll pick Honor 9N as the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. They should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how they perform. Memory management was good on both phones, but VIVO Y83 was able to keep more apps in memory. So for this round, I'll pick VIVO as the winner. Now for the final round, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones once again at the same time and you can see which phone opens the games faster. While opening games, there wasn't a huge difference between both phones, but 9N was slightly more faster and responsive. So for games, Honor 9N is the winner. So guys, overall, in terms of performance, Honor 9N is definitely better. When it comes to memory management, VIVO is doing slightly better. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test of these phones? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you are planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.